First, remove old nail polish with acetone. Click the icon in the right to see how to do these watermelon nails. Paint a base coat on all of your nails and wrap the tips to help the polish last longer. Next, paint all of your nails one color except for your ring finger. I chose magenta. Paint your ring finger a different color. I chose green. Then dip a dotting tool in gold polish. Put 3 or 4 gold dots on your magenta nail tips so you have some dot French tips. Fill your entire ring finger with dots. You can do the reverse on your other hand and paint all except your ring finger green. Lastly, add a clear top coat to all your nails and paint the tips too. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe.